Hey, what's up? The easiest way for me to design a Facebook event cover is to go to canva.com, make an account over here, and you can check out all the free templates. Just type in over here, for example, Facebook event cover. You can see lots of templates over here. Just scroll down, click free, and choose your template. For example, let's click over here. Just click on one template. Now let's change the text and image. Click on the text, double click it, and over here you can change the font. For example, like this. You can bold it a little, change it. To change the image, go on the left side on the photos, and over here, for example, type in summer and drag and drop the image that says free onto the background. And you can see that we have this filter that is going on our way, so we can just change this to be summer filter with a summer theme. Cool. Now just click over here, download, and download PNG suggested and upload to your Facebook.